There's Haley way out there on the jet ski with our neighbor. She's having a blast. It's her first time on the jet ski.
All together.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, he's a ginger. Oh, oh yeah, nice.
Yay!
Nice. So easy.
Joel's cutting his own birthday cake.
See? Those are gonna be some big ones right there.
He's useful.
Perfect.
I call big one.
He's useful.
You want that one? You want that one, son?
Here, Joel.
What kind of cake is it?
Crazy cake. It's a family recipe. When I was a little kid, my mom made it for me, and now Dawn makes it for the children.
All right.
It's for the children.
I'll take that.
Walking out on the dock, out here to the water. We have a cabin out here on the lake. So it's a beautiful night. Here they come. I think Joel was able to stay up on that board. Haley's on the jet ski. Here comes Haley. Woohoo! Look at him go. Look at that. Woo! There she goes. I wish I had a better lens. There's a moose out there in the water. Haley just went on a fun adventure out on the jet ski. And what did you see jet skiing?
A girl moose paddling all the way to its land.
Wow, how close did you get?
Pretty close.
Yeah? How fast did you guys go?
Pretty fast.
Yeah?
All together. All together.
Going to be making some barbecue chicken in the Instapot today. So I put 5 chicken breasts in and a jar of the pepperoncinis, and then I'm going to cover it with water, set it on about 20 minutes in the Instapot, and let it cook. It's going to be awesome. Thank you to my friend Demita for showing me how to make this. So
All together.
So the chicken breasts are done, and now I'm shredding them up, and we'll be adding the barbecue sauce next. Well, I added a couple tablespoons of brown sugar, a little mustard, some ketchup, and some barbecue sauce. Making some bruschetta for Father's Day. So first I've chopped up some yellow and red cherry tomatoes, and I sauteed some garlic and olive oil. And then now I'm going to be mixing them together with some balsamic vinegar and some fresh basil. And go ahead and put in some balsamic vinegar now. And give it a stir.
10 minutes later we saw it was still in the water, just swimming around.
Karis is slicing bread for me.
Trying to help out Mom in the kitchen. She does like everything so amazing. Look how beautiful that is. Smells yummy too.
So now I'm toasting the French bread in the frying pan with some butter, and next we'll be putting the bruschetta topping on it.
Oh, man, like. Whoa! On the road!
Your new van!
I wish.
No, that's a tiny home.
Thor with a giant hub with it.
That would be nice.
Dream car.
Stanley would bring one from Yugoslavia.
All together.